When you update your iPhone to the latest iPhone 14, you may wish to transfer photos from iPhone to iPhone so as to move the precious memories from the old iPhone to new one, right? Then, is there any simple and efficient way to achieve the goal? Method 1. How to transfer photos from iPhone to iPhone via phone transfer one-click way. We have tested many methods and many tools, the most successful of which is the iPhone transfer. It can provide you the fastest and most convenient way to complete photos transfer between two iPhones. Method 2. How to transfer photos from iPhone to iPhone using iCloud. Settings. iPhone settings. Your name iCloud. Enable iCloud Photos. Photos toggle iCloud Photos. Storage settings. Optimize or keep originals. Wait for upload. Access photos on new iPhone. Open Photos, All Photos album. Method 3. How to transfer pictures from iPhone to iPhone via AirDrop. How to transfer photos from iPhone to iPhone without iCloud. If your iPhone is iOS 7 and later, and you only need to transfer a small amount of photos to your new iPhone, using AirDrop is a good choice. Now, let's check if using AirDrop is a good way to transfer photos from one phone to another iPhone. Step 1. Enable AirDrop on two iPhones. Step 2. Select the photos you want to transfer from your old iPhone. Step 3. Check the transferred photos on your new iPhone. Method 4. How to transfer photos from old iPhone to new iPhone via iTunes. iTunes is probably one of the most commonly used tools for iOS users to transfer files. Step 1. Transfer photos from iPhone to computer. Step 2. Transfer photos from computer to new iPhone. Method 5. How do I transfer photos from iPhone to iPhone via email? Old iPhone. Open Photos. Select Photos. Tap Share at bottom left. Email Photos. Choose Mail. Add recipient's email. Click Send at Email Photos. New iPhone. Open Mail. Log in. Download attached photos from the received email to view.